Midnight gymnastics. Midnight gymnastics. Midnight gymnastics women compete by displaying their beauty.
Hi Solange.
Hey Kitty, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Here are your new toys.
Thank you.
Oops, and your facade on your brooding. Look great.
Yes, it's been done. But now they're going to work on the inside of the apartment. This sucks.
Oh, it's always boring work.
Oh yeah, since I have to move out and find another place until they're done.
Come on, Solange. Your little toy will cheer you up.
Oh, it's a good thing they're here.
Okay, come on. I'm going back to deliver. Bye.
Bye-bye, Kitty. Hey, how are you? I saw Kitty, and guess what? She delivered a package to me earlier, yes. It's been a long time since I've a new package. So, unboxing today, yes.